My name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making chocolate brownies, and if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and of course I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel. It's free, and I'd love it if you share it with your friends on social media. Of course, I would love to hear your comments if you like the look of the video or you've made it and you want to share how you got on with it. I'd love to hear from you. We need to weigh 250 grams of butter. Right, we're going to break up 250 grams of dark chocolate. It's just easier to melt if you break it up into little bits. I have here a bowl on top of a pot of boiling water. We're going to melt some butter in the bowl along with our dark chocolate. We're going to melt the butter and the dark chocolate together. Once the water is boiled, just turn it down to a low heat and let it melt gradually. And let this butter and dark chocolate melt nice slowly. I use 70% dark chocolate. I find that's the best, but you can use a milkier chocolate if you prefer. Right, into our bowl we're going to add 4 eggs. You can use a hand whisk. I tend to just use the electric one. So we want to add our caster sugar, and you want to add 50 grams of brown sugar. We'll whisk this together. You can do it with a hand whisk, but I'm just going to use an electric whisk. Get lots of lovely air bubbles. Now we're going to sieve 125 grams of self-raising flour, along with a third of a cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to sieve this to make it nice and light. Keep the air in the mixture. And then at this stage, you're not going to mix it vigorously. You're going to fold it in. So bring your spatula around and fold the mixture. You'll feel the texture change as the flour folds into the sugar and the eggs. And by folding it, we keep the air into the mixture. We're not going to beat the air out of it. I'm going to add a small amount of vanilla essence. All those air bubbles are being kept in there. So you can see all the air bubbles. Now we're going to add our melted chocolate and butter into your mixture. And we're going to fold this into the mixture as well. You're not going to beat it or whisk it. Be gentle with it and fold it. And don't bang the bowl with your spoon. It will knock out all the air. Right, so we're going to line the dish with some greaseproof paper, and that is available for you to be able to just lift and take that out when the brownies are ready. Now we'll just pour this into our dish. This looks lovely. Again, don't bang your dish. Maybe just give it a bit of a shake to spread it around. And then we put that in the oven. Okay, we're just going to cut this into 6 pieces. And we're going to lift the greaseproof paper. And we're going to dish up a piece of brownie. You can see how lovely this looks. Nice and soft and gooey in the middle, and then nice and crusty on the outside. A few different serving ideas is you could put some cream either next to your brownie, or if you wanted to put it on the top of your brownie, you could buy a flake and just sprinkle or crush it up and sprinkle it over the cream, maybe a little bit on top of the brownie. And then you could melt some white chocolate and just dabble it over the brownie and a bit on the flake. And there's your chocolate brownie with a little bit of cream and melted chocolate. Another idea to serve your brownie is with a bit of cream, a few chocolate chips, and if you just melt some white chocolate and kind of just shake your spoon, and that gives it a nice decoration. You could get some milk chocolate and sprinkle that the other way, just to give it a bit of decoration. Thank you for watching the video with Lifestyle with Sharon on how to make chocolate brownies. I hope you enjoyed it. Do like that video and share it with your friends.